Okay, thank you everyone for joining us for the webinar to introduce CADdoctor and the demonstration for streamlining CAE data preparation. Before we start talking about the topic about CADdoctor, its capabilities, and the actual demonstration, let me go through a little bit about myself and who I am. So I'm Shun Higashide at Elysium in headquarters of Japan as a global business analyst. I've been with Elysium for about 6 years now, and my main role has been in marketing, especially with promotional activities, with websites, and other marketing activities in the global market. So, CADdoctor, its functions, demonstration, and with a demonstration. So what is the MoldX 3D CADdoctor? So in short, the MoldX 3D CADdoctor is your ultimate desktop tool to maximize and accelerate your 3D data, to make full use of your 3D data for smooth processing in the downstream process that follows after design. And the main workflow that we would expect using the MoldX 3D CADdoctor would be first to import your CAD data, to check the geometry with your CAD data, heal the CAD data depending on what kind of purpose you're going to achieve after the design phase, based on your use cases. Especially with CAE data model preparation, we have capabilities such as geometry simplification, defeaturing, which I will get in deeper in the following pages. And then finally, you can export to MoldX 3D for your meshing process. So when we first import your data, your CAD data into CADdoctor, CADdoctor, as the name says, is the doctor for your CAD data. And first you can check what could be wrong with your data. We call this product data quality checking, or PDQ checking, to assure that 100% high fidelity model is utilized for your use cases. You can check for this is just a few examples of the criteria that we check, and I will introduce in the demonstration, but we have different criteria for different purposes. So we can check not for everything, but the ones that we really need to check for to optimize your processes. And not only check what's wrong, we can automatically heal or fix the problems in the data set. For example, if you find any tiny elements, tiny faces within the model,